Good job, Carlos. Get it. Have you ever played like inside of the walls? They can't hear us, can they?
Not really.
I don't think so.
Well, they don't really
My daughter
listen to
actually
you when you're on the
appreciates
field.
No.
having to hear me screaming.
All right, get it. Help them. All right, y'all work together. Oh, I thought.
They keep missing that. They have such power kicks and they miss it.
Y'all got it. Oh, see, they need to stop fighting over the ball.
That's pretty much what happened when Darren during the pass.
They both go for it at the same time. That's the second time they both did that.
Oh, Darren checked in the night.
So close. Oh, it is.
Use the wall.
Get it, Carlos.